Welcome to my channel Wish Speak English. 15 short English sentences for with Urdu translation. I'm not sure if he's telling the truth.
मुझे यकीन नहीं वो सच बोल रहा है या नहीं।
I'm not sure if he's telling the truth. Maybe she forgot on purpose.
शायद उसने जानबूझकर भूलने का ड्रामा किया।
Maybe she forgot on purpose. That doesn't sound right to me.
ये मुझे ठीक नहीं लग रहा।
That doesn't sound right to me. I guess something's not adding up here.
मेरा ख्याल है यहाँ कुछ गड़बड़ है।
I guess something's not adding up here. Are you sure this is the real story?
क्या आपको यकीन है ये असल कहानी है?
Are you sure this is the real story? He's acting kind of strange lately.
वो आजकल कुछ अजीब सा बर्ताव कर रहा है।
He's acting kind of strange lately. It's probably just a coincidence, or is it?
शायद ये महज इत्तेफाक हो या कुछ और।
It's probably just a coincidence, or is it? I have a feeling there's more to this.
मुझे लगता है कि इसमें कुछ और भी है।
I have a feeling there's more to this. She said she was home, but I don't believe her.
इसने कहा वो घर पर थी, लेकिन मुझे यकीन नहीं।
She said she was home, but I don't believe her. Why did he leave so suddenly?
वो अचानक क्यों चला गया?
Why did he leave so suddenly? This excuse sounds made up.
ये बहाना घड़ा हुआ लगता है।
This excuse sounds made up. He keeps changing his story.
वो बार-बार अपनी बात बदल रहा है।
He keeps changing his story. I think he's hiding something.
मेरे ख्याल में वो कुछ छुपा रहा है।
I think he's hiding something. I wouldn't trust that guy too easily.
मैं इस आदमी पर इतनी जल्दी भरोसा नहीं करूंगा।
I wouldn't trust that guy too easily. Something fishy is going on.
कुछ मशकूक हो रहा है।
Something fishy is going on.